job site with an opportunity to put another bait way up north. So here I am. This is going to be awesome. ATV way in. It's a good trail to get, I think, almost to where we want to set up anyways. Nobody hunts in the area. So here we are. Can't wait to get the Tactacam set up, get the bait set up, and let's see what's out here. Of the Sugar Addict. Definitely got some pretty awesome bear bait photos, this guy. Doing what it takes. Plaster a tree with fry grease, get the scent in the area, syrup all over some feed, lots of extra feeds all over the ground. It's a new spot, so gotta go a little bit extra. Yeah, next I'm gonna spear some trees with some sugar icing, and then I think we'll be good to go. Absolutely. Exciting whenever you have a new property. Pursuing it's always the best part. Well, I've never.
It's nice to use it on these trees with the deep grooves in the bark.
So it holds it.
Yeah.
Look at that, just pasting trees with icing. This is pretty badass.
Well, you what? Next March, the maple syrup will be a little bit sweeter.
Setting up the Tactacam, you know, whether this bait gets hit. Probably the biggest scouting tool that I use. Tactacams have been by far the best cell cam that I've used by far. Set up, let's see what kind of signal we got. Yes, look at that, genius. Turn it on. See the light still flashing. We are good to go. This is what we do on a day off. Pretty awesome.